अरे शर्यत कोण लावताय? अरे शर्यत कसली गोष्ट आहे? कसली शर्यत?
ये भी नीचे पता नहीं है, खोले देगा ये लगा नहीं बराबर।
अभी बज रहे सुबह के 3:30, ठीक है। और कोई प्लान नहीं था, कल तक कोई प्लान नहीं था, लेकिन दोस्तों ने कहा कि भाई चलते हैं, तो अभी मैं चल रहा हूँ। आज है 26 जनवरी और आज राइड हो रही है नालासोपारा रेड कारपेट वसई है कि वसई या फिर नालासोपारा में कहीं तो है, मुझे कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं कहाँ पे जा रहे क्यों जा रहे। यूनिट ऑफ स्पिरिट 2.0 है, ठीक है, शायद आप लोगों ने सुना ही रहेगा। तो कल तक कोई प्लान नहीं था, तो दोस्त लोगों ने पास भी अरेंज किया, सब कुछ किया, ठीक है। तो अभी मैं 3:30 बज रहे, तो अभी मैं फटफट रेडी हो गया और 2 बजे सो जाता, ठीक है। और ये अलग ही मोटिवेशन है यार, जाना रहेगा ना तो कुछ अलग ही मोटिवेशन, कोई अलार्म की ज़रूरत नहीं है। 2 बजे सोया, 3:30 बजे मतलब आधा घंटा हो गया, उठ गया, नमाज़ पढ़ लिया, ठीक है। अभी फटफट रेडी होता हूँ, निकलता हूँ। और दूसरी चीज़, मेरी बाइक टिया के है उम्रा में सर्विस के लिए गई थी, ठीक है। तो सलमान के घर पे अभी वो मेरी बाइक रुकी हुई है और मेरे साथ में है जीशान की बुलेट। तो अभी मैं क्या करेगा, रेडी होएगा। और पहली बात, और दूसरी चीज़, अब ये जे माउंट लगाया मैंने इस बार, ठीक है। अभी आई डोंट नो, इसके पहले कभी मैंने जे माउंट यूज़ नहीं किया, तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं अभी कि कैसे मतलब सेट करूँ जो पोजीशन है, तो उसमें शायद टाइम जाएगा। तो मेरे को जल्दी निकलना है, मेरे को 5 सवा 5 तक मुमरा पहुंचना है सलमान के घर, वहाँ से फिर आपको माजीवाड़ा जाना है जो हमारा मीटअप पॉइंट है। तो लेट्स सी गाइस, तो ज़्यादा मैं देर नहीं करता हूँ। बहुत सारे बाइक्स आने वाले हैं वहाँ पे, मैं इसीलिए इंटरेस्टेड हूँ कि बहुत सारे बाइक्स आने वाले, मुझे अलग अलग बाइक्स देखने के लिए मिलेगी, तो मैं आपको भी दिखाऊंगा। तो एंड तक व्लॉग ज़रूर देखना और मिलते हैं सीधा अभी बाइक पे।
हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप कि सब ठीक होगा, अगर नहीं है तो डोंट वरी यार, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। तो गाइस अपन आप जा रहे हैं इस बुलेट पे, ये जीशान की बुलेट है क्लासिक 350। तो चलते यार, ऑलमोस्ट 4 बज गया है गेस, कितना बजे, 4 बज गया। तो एक काम करते, फटफट चलते हैं और उसके बाद में अपनी टीआर के लेते हैं और वहाँ से फिर निकल जाते हैं। आई डोंट नो कि अभी व्यू कैसा आता होगा, लेट्स सी। मैंने इसके पहले कभी ज़्यादा बुलेट चलाया नहीं है, लेकिन लेट्स सी, देखते हैं। ओके भाई साहब, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ओके मम्मी, अरे क्या आवाज़ करता है यार ये बाइक, उफ। आई होप कि ये कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड होता होगा यार, ये जो साउंड आ रहा है ना। तो इसका सीटिंग पोजीशन अच्छा है क्लासिक 350 का, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि मुझे अभी आदत टीआरके की है ना, तो जो मेरा पोस्चर होता है ना, ऐसा होता है। अभी मैं देखो इतना नीचे झुका हुआ, आई होप आपको दिखता रहेगा। ये इंस्टा 360 एस प्रो में पता नहीं नाइट का ये विजन कैसा है, आई गेस अच्छा ही होगा, लेट्स सी। तो टीआरके में यहाँ पे होती है पोजीशन ऐसे, और अभी इतना 1 फुट नीचे है ये, ठीक है। तो तकलीफ ये हो रही है कि ना बहुत थोड़े टाइम के बाद में ना बैक पेन चालू हो रहा है। सो गाइज, द व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई टुक द रॉन्ग रोड, सी। और ये अभी स्लिपरी हो रहा है, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सैंड, सी दिस इज स्लिपिंग। सो आई जस्ट केम ऑन द रॉन्ग रोड। व्हाट आई विल डू इज come out of this bike and like this. Oh, actually I went up to there because I was on the good speed. देखो यार, luckily there was light and ये hole I see, and I just come this over there. I went up to there and I stop it, then I came back. Now I need to take this huge hathi back, but this seat is too heavy, man. I think TRK is more lighter than this bike. Okay, अरे भाई साहब, sometimes you are not used to the bikes, right? Some bikes. So this is what happened. So chalo, just Salman called me and he asked me what happened, where are you? I said, man, I'm on the way, but it's taking time. There was no plan. So guys, there was no plan till yesterday, and I didn't know that Salman is also going to going for this ride, because yesterday he called up and he said, "Tausif chalna yaar, masti karte hai." And I was like, I said, yaar, bore ho raha hai yaar, I don't want to go, because see 2000 riders and I don't want to go. For me, I like to be alone, I like to be free, because if 2000 riders there on the road, how you will enjoy your ride? Then he said, "Arey Tausif, the place where we are going now, there will be 2000 riders, not on the road. So on the road we will be around 50-60. I said, man, even that 50-60 is too much. For me, I like to ride solo, only solo, or max to max 2-3 guys, like if Chetan is there, Vikrant is there, or Salman, you are there. So I like this kind of rides, so that I have the road, so I will enjoy my ride. But when 2000 riders is like cheetia, ants, mungi, man, how I will enjoy? Then he said, no, we are going to meet them in a place where they will be there. Okay, so around 2000 bikers, more than 2000 riders. There will be some fancy bikes also, and I think this ride is organized by, I think, Castrol. I really don't know, I don't have any idea, because till now, yesterday I was not checking on it. I was just saying that no, I don't want to go. Even Chetan was asking me, let's go there, and I was like, no man, right, he's also like this, he don't like to ride with so many of people, so many riders, so we just ignore it. Oh man, look at that hole, man. Why? I don't understand. When they are building these roads, why they are not giving slopes, man? You see the sudden hole, man, shit. And this is the reason, man, this caused the big accident most of the time. So you need to be very, very careful while riding to the roads, and mostly when there is a new construction, because I don't understand these people, is whose fault it is, engineers fault or the workers who are building these roads. I don't see this one also. I'm really scared of this sudden potholes and this sudden changes in the roads. I don't know what to say, but seriously, yaar, this is going to kill the person, man, and it's killing. It's not going to. It's already happening. How many accidents happen just because of the roads, man? Because of the road condition. So many. Man, this dog is looking at me like this. He wanted to bark on me, but he cannot, because my bike is more louder than him. That's the reason he cannot bark on me. Yeah. Ishan already informed me there is no ABS, and I don't want any, something happen to me or this bike, because see, the first thing is this bike is not belongs to me, it's my friend's bike, right? And I need to respect it. So when he gave me with the trust, right, that I will not do something I will not do anything bad that will create the problem, and that will create the any issue for the friendship and these all things. Yeah, sure, he will not say. If something happens, he will not tell me anything. Maybe he will say, but I know Jishan will not say anything to me. If someone is giving you his bike, so you should respect it, okay? And you should take care of the bike and take care of the trust, because don't try to break the trust. If he's telling you something not to do, okay, not to do then. Oh man, this sound, crazy sound. So guys, here is the Salman Khan. He is also Salman Khan. Okay.
I was born in middle class family, but my uncle made me royal.
Yeah, but this Enfield make me crazy. This Enfield make me. See our bike. Oh man. See Salman's bike tire. Bhai, ये tire size क्या है? 170? Oh man, look at this huge tire, man. Seriously.
Now it's gonna change to 180.
Yeah, even I'm going.
I think for 190 also.
Really? 190? So this is my babe. Okay, bye. Thank you. Congratulations. Let's go. Look at his bike, man. Something different. And he made so many modifications. खर्चा किया है, दबा के खर्चा किया है. Look at this cockpit. See this normal cockpit and look at this. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. Yalla, let's go guys. So I'm so happy after a long time. I'm sitting on my bike. Okay, I'm going to ride it for a good cause. So let's go. Man, this feeling is something different, man. When you ride your own bike. Let's go. Man, the comfort. Whoa. How? Man, the smoothness of this bike, na. Kaha that 350 and kaha this bike, man. The power. Oof. And the way we lean. Oof, like this. Shit. चले? Whoa, it's like drag race. Control, babe, control. So guys, now from here we will leave soon, and I think कहाँ जाएगा डायरेक्ट जेड़ा में?
अभी फाउंटेन के यहाँ पे एक मीटिंग पॉइंट है, वहाँ पे सब लोग बाकी के भी राइडर्स वहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, फिर उधर से फिर मेन राइड जो है राइडर्स राइडिंग का वो स्टार्ट करेंगे.
So from here we will go to the Fountain Hotel, and there we will meet another bikers, and from there we will go to the straightaway to Riders Valley. I think Castrol. Why don't you understand English? So okay, I'll show you the bike of bike of Piyush. Let me show you this bike. See, something different I have seen here is this one. idli wala. Wow, what a lovely sound of my bike, man. Seriously, what a lovely sound. Now we are like snakes, just moving from here to there. Same like snakes, you know, rider snakes. See, look at this traffic, man. Pum pum pum. Piyush made some crazy accessories. Oh, see the sunrise, man. Beautiful, yeah? Wow. So guys, you can see the all riders on the road, and because this is Riders Rally, so we are going towards the red carpet Vasai. So this is our final stop, and you see the random people over there looking at us. Say hi, dost. Nice. Look at these riders, man. Look at these riders. What a energy this guy is giving me, man. I see this guy Piyush crazy. क्या ही मजा आ रहा है यार guys. मतलब this is first time, you know, I am experiencing this. क्योंकि इसके पहले कभी भी मैं राइडर्स के साथ में ऐसा नहीं गया. जितने राइडर्स मतलब जो 1800-2000 राइडर्स आने वाले हैं, that's too big, man. बहुत बड़े नंबर्स है. I mean literally यार, देखो जहाँ तक मेरी नज़र जा रही है वहाँ पर राइडर्स ही दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Wow, superb यार, seriously. Spirit of unity. I was saying unity of spirit. The spirit of unity. So this is where we are here. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Forward Toof. Wow. And this is the place where we are belongs to. Wow, man. Wow. Wow. So one more TRK is here. Wow. So TRK bye bye. Superb दिख रहा है यार. Superb. Here you can see the Triumph Tiger, the lineup. I don't know. I think these are all VIPs or special bikers or maybe influencers.
See, Triumph again, 1250 here. This KTM 390.
चलो
चलो चाय पिएगा भाई, चाय पिएगा.
पार्टी नहीं देंगे तुमको, स्पेशल देता हूं, चलो.
You're covered now?
या
Hi.
विश्राम, डोमिनार, ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर है, कैस्ट्रॉल और ये होंडा गुलविंग.
रेडी रेडी ऑडियंस रेडी. देखो देखते हैं कि 3 लोग पहले आते हैं, उनको चांस मिलेगा. अगर हो गया तो पहले 3 लोगों को फ्री टिकट्स मिलेंगे, बाकी 2 को गुड लक बोल के मैं रवाना कर दूंगा. डील? ठीक है. कौन से क्लब से बिलोंग करते हो सर आप? कौन से क्लब से बिलोंग करते हो? मुंबई. कम ऑन क्लब मेंबर, मेक सम नॉइज. आराम से देखिए, आराम से टारगेट को देखिए और फिर हिट कीजिए. ठीक है, चलिए गो फॉर इट. थाईलैंड जाना चाहिए, थाईलैंड. कम ऑन ऑडियंस, मेक सम नॉइज.
तो गाइज अभी भी इवेंट चल रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन मेरे में अभी इतनी ताकत नहीं रही है क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी बढ़ते जा रही है. ऊपर से जैकेट भी है और फुल क्लोज करके जाना है, तो बहुत हालत खराब है. मैं ऑलरेडी पसीने से भीग चुका हूँ. अभी फिर से फेस वॉश किया ताकि थोड़ा फ्रेश लगे. और अभी एक काम करता हूँ, मैं निकल जाता हूँ भाई. इससे ज़्यादा मेरे से बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा क्योंकि गर्मी बढ़ते जा रही है. अच्छी बात नहीं, 4-5 घंटा लगने वाला है. तो यही था इवेंट यहाँ पर, और बाकी अपन रोड पे मिलते हैं, ठीक है.
तो इट वाज नाइस इवेंट. मैं ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं ले पाया, लेकिन मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर से मिल पाया, ठीक है. ओह, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है मेरे को, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. Oh, so it was a nice event. I met so many influencers like Kalakar, Tiger Bhai, and then Tanisha, and who else was there? Like Biker Gani, and oh man, it was so basically it was nice. I really enjoyed. It was fun because all my riding friends were there, so we enjoy. I learn a lot actually from these influencers, how they started their journey, and see how in 3-4 years they become the fantastic influencer, you know, like Kalakar, Tiger Bhai. These guys are, you know, always their videos are informative, you know, they are always teaching something new.
पूरा ये फिल्टर से, और ये देखो ये भी नीचे पता नहीं है, खोले देगा, ये लगा नहीं बराबर. और ये देखो यहाँ पे पूरा ऑयल, देखो पूरा टायर पे ऑयल, बहुत ऑयल गिरा है. उधर आगे वो साइड पे तो और ज़्यादा ऑयल है. देखो नदीम भाई. Guys, right now I'm the facing issue is with the filter range. You can see from here the oil is leaking. Yeah, so we almost someone help me to push the bike almost from Ghodbandar Fountain Hotel to here, almost 30-40 kilometers. Yeah, almost 30-40 kilometers we tow. And yesterday I just did the service over here, and I don't know how this mechanic he tied the filter, and because of that I lose a lot of oil, I lose a lot of time. Now I have the headache, I don't know what to do. So luckily we got one mechanic shop here. Now he's trying to fix the filter. Let's see, the o-ring may be cut, I don't know how it tied. So let's see. I hope everything will be okay. Let's see, the mechanic's trying to fix. So I lose a lot of oil. I'll remove the dash plate from the down of the front. So I'll see.
इसका ओरिंग कट गया है.
O-ring कट गया. Yeah, the O-ring is cut. कौन सा फिल्टर लगेगा? कहाँ से मिलेगा? बाजू से मिलेगा? ओके, so the O-ring is cut. Let's see. भाई O-ring कट गया है.
ओरिंग कट गया ना.
या
ओरिंग रहेगा ना इनके पास?
नहीं, फिल्टर ही चेंज करेगा पूरा.
फिल्टर लगेगा क्या? ओरिंग मिलता रहेगा ना? ओरिंग मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं तो पूरा ऑयल फिल्टर ही आएगा.
ऑयल फिल्टर देखते ना,
ऑयल फिल्टर अच्छा है ना, चेंज किया ना तूने?
अरे नहीं चेंज कर देंगे पूरा अभी काई के लिए see the guys the so right now the guys see the my doubt was right that the o-ring is cut. Let's see if we get the o-ring then we will change the o-ring, otherwise we'll change the filter straight away.
I came to the mechanic and he fixed the issue. He top up the oil. Again traffic, man. This is Kalyan Dombivli road. I just crossed Mumra. Man, this road is always full of traffic, man. Always full of traffic. Today is 26th Jan, Republic Day, but still, okay, today we can understand it's a public holiday and there will be a traffic. But other than public holiday, also there is always traffic, man. Always, always. I don't understand because it's been long time standing right in the parking only. Not start. Nobody started this bike. So I just अरे दादा तुम्ही ठोकली आणि बोलताय मारून तिकडे अरे तो थांबला ना दादा दादा तो थांबला ना कसा मारू मी अरे त्याने अर्जंट ब्रेक मारला अरे कसा मारू मला ते समजलं मग काढून टाकू ती एक तर तुम्ही ठोकताय मला वरतून तुम्ही मला बोलताय अरे कसा मारा दादा दादा अचानक मारलं असतं ना गाडी पडली असती तुमच्यावर पडली असती अरे अशी पडली असती ना कशी पडेल अरे दादा माझी गाडी छोटी आहे का मोठी आहे मग मी असं मारलं तर पडणार नाही अरे काय बोलताय दादा थोडं तर सेन्स मला बोला मी चुकीची गोष्ट नाही बोलत आहे तुम्ही बोलताय गाडी कशी पडणार काय ना मला माहिती आहे ना माझी गाडी आहे काय माझी चुकी आहे का त्याची चुकी आहे का त्याची चुकी आहे कधी कळणार लोकांना काय माहित नाही See this bullshit, he don't know how to drive without helmet is driving and he's teaching me. He's saying that I don't know how to drive. It is not the thing. I don't know, I don't understand the people. काय अरे नाही अरे रेस का लावू मी काय मी रेस लावू this bullshit guys seriously guys see he don't know how to talk he hit me from behind okay and now he's telling me that I don't know how to drive the bike wow see this bullshit locals are here so guys if you meet this kind of people now really I'm getting angry now but what to do we cannot do anything right that's the thing this guy is telling me I don't know how to ride the bikes wow he is not wearing helmet he is not having anything maybe he is riding without license and he's telling me that I don't know these things This guy is wanted to fight with me. अरे दादा अरे शर्यत कोण लावत आहे अरे शर्यत कसली गोष्ट आहे कसली शर्यत अरे दादा तुला कळत नाही तर मी काय करू He is asking me do the drag race with me. For what? With Activa? Guys, today's day was really bad, man. It's 26 January. It's happiness actually, but maybe happy for other people. For me, but it's feel like really bad day, man. Encounter two bad things. First, oil drain from the oil filter. O-ring got cut and then I lose a lot of oil then waste a lot time then I went to Mumra to the mechanic fixed that things I almost waste 3-4 hours more than 3-4 hours just to tow and everything And then I encountered with this bullshit guy, the bad guy on the road, really bad guy, man. He make me angry. I was just keeping calm. I was very quiet and I was very calm, but this guy was, pushing me for the limit. He was using bad words. I was alone. I cannot do anything, but let me make this video and I will post it on the social media and I will tag the Mumbai police and Kalyan Dombivli police. I will see if I can. But these guys are bullshit. They don't know how to ride and they are telling me that I don't know how to ride the bikes. Oh man. So it's really pissed me off. That's why I just stopped my bike here somewhere. I don't know. And I'll have this sugarcane juice and then water. Will keep calm myself because I'm getting this anxiety. I'm getting this angriness. So I just want to calm down myself. I'll take a break like 10-15 minutes, then I'll check it off and I'll go back to home. Yeah, feeling a little bit relaxed. I just took a break for 15 minutes because I was really angry, man, because of these bullshit guys. What to do? You will encounter this kind of people. Just keep calm, man. Try to be calm because see the situation. Because see, if I use bad words over there, sure, there will be another. What's the thing? So there will be another consequences. There will be a fight maybe because these guys, these bullshit people were locals. Okay, so they will call the people. I know this mentality over here in Mumbai. So I feel I was trying myself to just keep calm and speak politely, and I try my best. But guys, there are this kind of really bullshit people. Just what I'll suggest is keep calm, man. Really, it's better to be calm than this fight. And nowadays, this fight can do a lot, man. You cannot imagine. I mean, what these guys will do. Because they don't care. They don't care about the system, they don't care about the government, they don't care about the police. No, they don't care. These locals like this, man. Okay? So, always be careful, be polite, okay? Just see the situation and try your best to just leave that situation. I was in a traffic, I cannot go anywhere. I have to face this guy. So yes, so what I was doing is just keep calm and just encounter. I was in my mind, back of the mind, I was just thinking if he say anything, okay, I'll just reply okay, while blah 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 blah. I use same language, local language, but always be polite. But if it's an open road and there is no traffic like this, then no worries, man. You do whatever you want to do. Just and he was asking me to do a drag race, and I was like, seriously, he was asking me for the drag race with the scooty. He's asking me number of times. Asking me, you want to do race? He asked me in Marathi language, Shariat karai chayega. But what to do? I don't understand. It's not making any sense. What should I say? Yeah, let's go. Oh man, come on, man. Maybe, this is ego. He has an ego issue. He has an ego problem. He was thinking, because when he hit me from behind, I will upload the picture of my top box, what he did to my top box, okay? That graphics of my top box, left side is damaged, okay? Come on, man. Why I will do the race with the Activa 100cc? See, so guys, please, I'm requesting you guys, be careful with these people, man. Take care of yourself, take care of your mates, whoever is riding with you. Just take care of each other, man. I was alone, I cannot do anything, I cannot say anything. Yes, it's okay. I don't have any ego issue. It's okay. The lesson learned from this vlog, I can say, it, at least for myself, not for everyone, is because everyone's perception is different, right? Everyone's understanding is different, way of learning is different. So for me, I'm again going to learn from my vlog is like be patient, okay, be calm when you encounter the bad situation in the public place, okay. Try to avoid the things, try to avoid get it physical like fights, because as you know guys, every day we are hearing or we are reading the newses, so many things are happening, just because of some little, like 50 fills 50 paisa or 50 cent ego. But this ego can kill someone, and ride safe, okay. Don't forget to enjoy your life, okay. This is only one life. I always say this is only one life, so please enjoy the moment, enjoy the time. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So I expecting the like and share and comment from you guys, and please, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.